Going up Route 15, beautiful area. Looks like about 20 miles in total, this Route 15 that we're on. Got about 7 miles left. Running right up beside a river, creek. Absolutely beautiful. Again, kind of God's country. So up here, see them rebel flags. Little houses on the side of the road, tiny houses. Usually you see a bunch of equipment of some sort. But absolutely beautiful, beautiful road. Got Clifton way back there in the back, got caught up between us, and car got in there, and we're just kind of trucking down the road, going around the speed limit. But beautiful area, beautiful, beautiful place to come to. Do a lot of off-roading up here is a big thing, a lot of it, and Hatfield McCoy trails between Kentucky and West Virginia, just absolutely an awesome thing. If you've never done it, you can come visit some off-roading up there. Side-by-sides, four-wheelers. Never really seen too many of the adventure bikes, but the trails are beautiful. Still rolling on Route 15. Up beside the creek and against the wall. Absolutely beautiful. Guess we've been already about 300 miles a day. It's about 2:30. We stopped and had a little lunch at Burger King, and been on the bike probably riding time 4 hours and 59 minutes is what it's telling me. And then we stopped for about 21 minutes for lunch. We've hit the gas station once, and we'll probably hit it again here right at the end of this road. Looks like there might be some dark clouds up this way. I don't know if we're going to want to get wet or not. But
a few moments later.
Anyway, 15 north, 30 west. Absolutely beautiful road in the country. Narrow roads ahead. Welcome to Jackson. 300 miles. Gas stop number 2. We're in Kentucky, just outside of Bethany, still Route 15, getting ready to cross 1261. It's beautiful. It's about 94 degrees out here today. It's hot. You can look at me and tell it's hot. Notes behind. Note for use the mesh intercom for the Cena, and the mesh port dongle works great for me and the camera. No problems at all, no issues. However, I've yet to been able to get him to connect to me and the camera at the same time, it seems like. So we'll play with that some tonight and see what the hiccup is with that, and see if I can't get us all three online together tomorrow with the 360. But it's still beautiful, beautiful weather. I'm at about 1,048 above sea level. So just a few fantastic facts for the ride going to Bethany, Kentucky. Looks like we got some dark clouds coming in that way. Don't know what it's going to be like in the next few minutes. Could be getting a little wet. We'll see. Finally got out of the rain in Kentucky. Lasted for about 35, 45 minutes. Rolling down the road, burning up now from the actual heat and humidity. Got to get on 64 west, coming up here in about 8 miles. Again, still beautiful weather.
top off of gas, take a little break.
I think Cedar Rapid, if we can make it that far, would be a good spot for the day. I don't know if we'll make it a little further, or depending on some of the weather and everything else, but we're gonna go have some fun doing it.
Safe, fellas. Good?
Sunday evening, 8:15. We just arrived in Cedar Rapids. We are 526 miles for the day. Beautiful day. Didn't have any problems. Great weather.
Day 2 in the books.
Day 2. Great day.
Get for a little while. I'm start driving sideways. You gotta